Let's see how to browse the web from within Trados Studio in this video. Studio Browser plugin is the answer. It is one of the Trados Studio plugin. How to install? Just go to RWS App Store, download and install the plugin. You can start browsing the web in Trados Studio. That is the first option. Second option, directly we can go inside Trados Studio and we can access the RWS App Store within the Trados Studio environment and we can install it. So this is a screenshot of RWS App Store, and the highlight is this plugin works only with Trados Studio 22 and 24 version only. So we have opened the App Store. Okay, so I'm just going to type browser and we are able to see many results. So I'm just moving down to the Studio Browser plugin. Okay, so it is localx plugin. So Studio Browser plugin, I'm just clicking install. The plugin starts installing. Once it is done, we have to restart. So click the link and Trados Studio is restarted now. So you can see that Lingway website is opened. I'm just trying to open Google. So Google is open. I'm just adding it as add bookmark. So again, I'm going to type lingway.com or lingway.fr. So the website has come. You can click and add the bookmark to your